Hi, hello, welcome back to Home School. Class 10 Mathematics Revision with Radhika ma'am. Today we are going to continue Introduction to Trigonometry, that is your chapter 8, second exercise. Exercise 8.2. If you didn't watch exercise 8.1, please do watch. I am going to give you in your description about that link. And after watching that, come to the exercise 8.2. Before starting this exercise, you should remember trigonometric ratio table. If angle A is acute and 0 degree to 90 degree, for some angles we are going to take the table. Sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. Right? Full table if you can't remember, no problem. I'll give you easy techniques. First, 0 to 4 you write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Divide by 4. Now apply square root. I didn't do anything. First I have written 0 to 4, divide by 4 and now take square root. 4 ones and here 2 ones, 2 2s. 0 by 4 it is 0. Square root of 0 it is 0. Right? Now root 1, root split here, root 1 by root 4. Root 1 value is 1 and root 4 value is 2. Root 1 again it is 1 by root, you are splitting root 1 by root 2. Root 2 I cannot take it out, so it is root 2. Here if I split the root, numerator will be root 3, denominator root 4 value will be 2. Root 1 value will be 1. This is your first line in your trigonometric ratio table. If you remember this line, very good. Otherwise, try to remember like this, 0 to 4 numbers, divide by 4, square root of it. Or another method I will say you, first you write 0, last you write 1. Middle you write all 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. And the third one, write root 2 down. And here, fourth one, write root 3 here. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. If you people think that I'll forget the table, then no matter, just remember shortcut, only a single line. If you remember this, you can put on the table in your rough column in your exam and then directly see the values and solve the problems. Okay. So first, what is your first line? 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Okay. Sin 0 value is 0, sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree is 1. Now say from reverse order here, the same line say reverse order. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Okay, then cos ratios you got. Tan A if you want. What is tan A? Tan A is sin A by cos A. So just divide this line by this line. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. What happens? 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. What you are going to get? 1 by root 3. Root 2 cancel. 1 by 1 is 1. And the same manner, if I divide these two, 2 will be cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. And 1 by 0, it is not defined, or you can write there infinity. Tan line what you got, just write in reverse order in cot. Not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Okay, almost your table is filled. Next coming to cosec A. Cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sin A. So say all these values by saying 1 by. Right? Now 1 by 0 not defined. 1 by 1 by 2. Look here, 1 by 1 by 2 means this will come up 2 by 1, that is 2. Same manner, 1 by 1 by root 2 will be root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. Now say from reverse order in secant A. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. That's it. Your table is ready. If you remember one line, what is that line? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And the next line is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Reverse, you will get in cos. If you do sine by cos, you are going to get in tan. Tan reverse order, cot. Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sine. Secant is nothing but 1 by cos. Yes, are you all ready with the table? Just why can't you take your notes and start writing the table 2 to 3 times? And try to understand the table, don't by heart. First line you try to imagine in your mind. Then reverse order also along with the angles you should remember. Right? Suppose if I ask you now tan 30. Remember sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. If I divide 2 will be cancelled. So that is 1 by root 3. Like this you try to imagine the values, but please don't by heart. Okay. If you are unable to imagine or anything, so just write the table in your examination in the rough column, and then perfectly you can substitute these values in the problems and get the answer. Right. So first main evaluate the following. First question here, sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Nothing, just take the value and substitute here. Sin 60 degree. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Observe the table and see me next. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Now multiply these two. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square. Directly you can say 3. Right? 2 2s are 4. Plus 1 1s are 1. Denominators multiply. 2 2s are 4. Do LCM. 3 plus 1, that will be 4 by 4. That is, your answer is 1. Second one, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. 2 into, what is tan 45? Tan 45 value is 1. So, 1 whole square plus cos 30. Observe there and say cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 whole square. You have here square, so put square, minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square. So immediately you can cancel these two. Right? Or next step also you can cancel. 1 1s are 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. Denominator 2 2s are 4. Minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 2s are 4. Plus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 will be cancelled. Your answer is 2. Third problem. Cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. From observing the table, try to say the values. Cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 divided by secant 30. Secant 30 degree value is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 value is 2. Now denominator, do LCM. 2 plus root 3 will be having this root 3 multiply for 2. 2 root 3. Now this ratio bring to the numerator by doing the reciprocal and then multiply. 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Right? Root 3 by 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 plus 2 into root 2 into root 3. So number multiply 2 into 1 is 2. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Okay. Root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Next step. Root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. For this ratio, multiply the conjugate of the denominator for numerator and denominator. So what I am doing now? What you have denominator, conjugate means here plus sign you have. So you need to take minus sign. 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 you have. Its conjugate is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Multiply for numerator and also denominator. Okay. Now again multiply numerators and denominators. Root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 whole divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Remove from bracket. 2 into 1 is 2. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Plus into minus. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. Root 3 into root 6 is root 18. Whole divided by. Observe children, here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So write that directly. 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. See children, you write the formulas and all by taking beside a brackets and write all those. Okay, we are doing the problems in little short. Now 2 root 6 minus root 18. Can you simplify further? Yes. Root 18, how can I write this? Root 9 into 2. 9 take out, that means root 9 into root 2. Root 9 value is 3, 3 root 2 is your simplified form of root 18. So 2 into 3 root 2, what happens? 2 into 3 root 2 is 3 2s are 6, 6 root 2. 2 root 18 can be written as 6 root 2 by 2 root 2 whole square. 2 root 2 whole square means 2 root 2 multiply 2 times. 2 2s are 4 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. So 4 into 2, that is 8. Write here 8 minus. Same manner you try to say 2 root 6 whole square. 2 2s are 4. Root 6 into root 6, 6. 4 6 are 24. Right? Now here 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2 by 8 minus 24. What it is? Minus 16. Now in numerator, is there anything common? Yes, 2 is common. Take out 2 common. Root 6 minus 3 root 2 by minus 16. If you want, you can take out minus sign also. In order to cancel denominator negative sign, take numerator minus also common. This plus root 6 becomes minus root 6 and minus 3 root 2 becomes plus 3 root 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 8s are 16. Now instead of writing minus root 6 plus 3 root 2, you can write it as 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. That's it. This is your answer. Fourth problem. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Simply just see the table and try to say here. What is sin 30 degree? 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degrees 1 minus cosecant 60 degree 2 by root 3. Okay, whole divided by secant 30 degree 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degree 1. Okay, Now do LCM for numerator separate and denominator separate. 2 and root 3 LCM will be 2 root 3 whole divided by. You have here 2. So what is missing instead of 2 root 3? Root 3 missing. So for this numerator you multiply root 3. And here 1 means complete 2 root 3 multiply here. Here you have root 3. So multiply only 2 for the numerator. I think you people all know how to do the LCM and all. Right? So 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4 whole divided by. Now this one we are going to do LCM. Root 3 2. Again this also become 2 root 3. Here you have root 3. So what do you need to multiply? 2. Here you have to multiply root 3. Here only 1 you have. So multiply 2 root 3. That is 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3. This 2 root 3, this 2 root 3 will be cancelled. Now root 3 plus 2 root 3. 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be 3 root 3. Write that one only. 3 root 3 minus 4 by, here also root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be 3 root 3 plus 4. Okay. So now again same manner we need to get answer, right? So this denominator conjugate multiply for numerator and denominator. Now observe the denominator. For this conjugate is root 3 minus 4. Right, here you have plus, you need to change it as minus. And then multiply for numerator and also denominator. Right. So write all that statements, children. Multiply the conjugate of the denominator for numerator and denominator. I am writing directly 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4 into, what is the conjugate of this denominator? 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay. Now numerators multiply separate and denominators multiply separate. Observe here same set you can see. A minus B, A minus B. Can I write this as A minus B whole square? Can I write? Yes, I can write. Right. So denominator A plus B into A minus B format there. So if you want one time you can write as it is. 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. Now next step, 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. A minus B whole square you can split out. That is 3 root 3 whole square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 plus 4 whole square. Since by A minus B whole square I have written the statement. And again from A plus B into A minus B, what is that? A square minus B square I will write in the denominator. Divided by 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. What is 3 root 3 whole square? 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 9 3s are 27 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 root 3 plus 4 4s are 16 whole divided by, again 3 root 3 whole square is 27 minus 4 4s are 16. Some children immediately they do a mistake here. 27 27 16 16 they will cancel. Please don't do like that. Okay. 27 plus 16 is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 27 minus 16 will be 11. Can you take anything common here? No. So this is your solution. Fifth problem. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Same manner, see the table and say, or you remember the table and say the values. Cos 60. First I will write here 5 into whole square. Cos square you have, right? So what is cos 60 value? 1 by 2 plus 4 into whole square secant 30, that is 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 1 whole square whole divided by sin 30 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now 1 by 2 whole square means 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 twos are 4 by root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 by 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2 twos are 4. Now remove brackets. 5 into 1 is 5 by 4 plus 4 fours are 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by, here these two LCM you do 1 plus 3. Then again numerator also do LCM. 4 3s are 12. Right? So observe here 12 means you have 4. 4 3s are 12. That 3 multiply here. And again 3 you have 3 4s are 12, 4 multiply here. So here nothing there, denominator also multiply 12. Okay. 5 3s are 15 plus 16 4s are 64 minus 1 12s are 12 whole divided by 4 by 4. That's it. So 4 ones are 4, cancel, denominator became 1 here. And now this one, 15 plus 64 will be 79 minus 12 by 12. Please don't cancel 12. 79 minus 12, it will be 67 by 12. That is your answer. With this, we complete our first main. Second main, choose the correct option and justify your choice. So first one in it, 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. What is tan 30? 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan square 30. That is 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay. Now this one will be 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 ones are 1, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 by, do LCM, 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 by 4 by 3. So this what happens? 4 by 3 bring up, that means do the reciprocal and multiply into 4 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 4. 2 2s are 4. Root 3 times 3. You know that root 3 into root 3 will be 3. That only you cancel. So what's your value? Root 3 by 2. Check for this option. Oh, you don't have root 3 by 2. So observe here sin 60. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So your answer is sin 60 degree. Option A, sin 60 degree. Okay. Search for root 3 by 2. If not there, just see what are all the values. What is cos 60? What is tan 60? What is sin 30? Which one is matching? That is your answer. Second one, 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. What is tan 45? Value is 1. Substitute here. 1 minus 1 whole square by 1 plus 1 whole square. That is equal to 1 minus 1 ones are 1 whole divided by 1 plus 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 by 2 is 0. Search for the value here. 0 you have. Yes, your answer is option D, 0. Third one, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to Which angle this is true? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. So first let me go with the options. Option A, 0 degree I will take. If a is 0, 2 into 0 is 0. Sin 0 value is 0. Sin 2 into 0 degree is sin 0, that is equal to 2 sin 0, that is 2 into 0. Sin 0 value is 0, 0 equal to 0. Therefore, this is matching. Therefore, what is your answer? Your answer is A value is 0 degree. So, option A, answer 0 degree. Okay. So, next, no need of seeing other angles also. See the fourth one. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. 2 tan 30 degree it says 2 into. What is tan 30 value? 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 can be written as 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 ones are 1, root 3 into root 3, 3. That is 2 by root 3 by, do LCM, 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. Bring the denominator up, do the reciprocal and multiply, 3 by 2, 2 cancel, root 3 times. Search for this option, root 3. Do you have root 3? No. Cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. No, this is not the answer. Sin 60. Root 3 by 2. This is not the answer. Tan 60. Yes, it is root 3. Therefore, your answer is option C, tan 60 degree. Okay. With this, we complete our second main. Third problem. If tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, a plus b is greater than 0 degree and less than or equal to 90 degree. A is greater than b. Find a and b value. How can we find this? First consider this one. Tan of a plus b is equal to root 3. Okay. So, in tan line, observe where do you get root 3? In tan line, observe where you get root 3? At tan 60. Write that one only. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan 60 degree. So, now equate the angles. A plus b is equal to 60 degree. Mark this first equation. Okay. Similarly, take that one. Tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. In tan line, where you get 1 by root 3? Tan 30 degree. Same you take tan of a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree. Now equate only the angles. A minus b is equal to 30 degree. Mark this equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. A plus b is equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Add or subtract? Just add because you have here plus b minus b. A plus a is 2a. 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. A is equal to 90 degree by 2. That will be 45 degree. 45 degree is A value. Now I got A is equal to 45 degree. Then what about B? Substitute A in any one of the equation. I'll substitute A value in first equation. That is A plus B equal to 60 degree. A value 45 degree plus B is equal to 60 degree. 45 transpose other side, it will be minus 45 degree. B is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree, that is 15 degrees is your answer. Therefore, A is 45 degree and B is 15 degrees. Right? And observe there A plus B, if you add 45 plus 15 it will be 60 degree. 60 degrees greater than 0 and less than 90. Yes, it is correct. And check whether A is greater than B. Yes, 45 degree is greater than 15 degree. Fourth main, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First one, sine of A plus B equal to sine A plus sine B. Is it true or false? A plus B, we don't know the angle. So let us take some angles here. A is 0, we'll take A is 0 and B is 30 degree. That means sine of 0 plus 30 degree is equal to sine 0 degree plus sine 30 degree. 0 plus 30 will be sine 30 degree, and here sine 0 value is 0 plus sine 30 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, both are equal. Wait a minute. Observe for other angles also. Sine, let me take A value is 30 and B value is 60. Any values you can take. So let me take sine 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree. What is sine 30 plus 60? It will be 90. Sine 90 value is 1. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. See here, if you do LCM, now these two are not equal. Therefore, what we can say, it should satisfy all the angles. It is not satisfying. Therefore, it is false. Right? Now, next one. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Observe here, sine theta increases as the theta value increases itself. 0 degree to 90 degree increased, and here also 0 to 1 it increased. So is it true or false? Yes, this is true. Right, next one. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Cos theta, theta is increasing. Are the values increasing or decreasing? They are decreasing from 1 to 0. So this statement is false. Okay, fourth one, sine theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. All values of theta, sine theta, cos theta equal. Just check it out. Sine 0 value is 0, cos 0, 1. Both are not equal. Sine 30, not equal. Sine 45, cos 45, they are equal. See, only some values they are equal, but remaining all values are not equal. So, if it is equal means it should satisfy all the angles. So, this statement is false. Okay, last one. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. A 0 means cot 0 degree. What is cot 0 degree? Not defined. Yes, this statement is true. Okay, with this we complete our exercise 8.2. We are going to meet in our next video with another exercise. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.